Perpendicular reverse parking made easy. In this video, you'll learn a simple 3-step perpendicular reverse parking technique that helps you enter a parking space smoothly, accurately, and with confidence. Follow each step carefully, and you'll be able to park like a pro. Step 1. First, carefully observe the parking space and check for any vehicles, pedestrians, or obstacles around you. Then, position your vehicle so that the side mirror is aligned parallel with the parking line. A proper starting position will make the rest of the parking maneuver much easier and more accurate. Step 2. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left. Check all around the vehicle and move forward slowly. Continue until the front end of the parking line becomes visible in your right side mirror. Once you reach this reference point, stop the vehicle and straighten the wheels. You are now in the correct position for the next step of the parking maneuver. Step 3. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right. Select reverse gear. Check all around the vehicle and begin reversing slowly. As the rear wheel reaches the front edge of the parking line, smoothly straighten the steering wheel while the vehicle is still moving. Once the vehicle is aligned with the parking space, continue reversing straight back until the vehicle is fully inside the parking bay. Parking complete. Your vehicle is now properly parked. For more step-by-step driving lessons and parking tutorials, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.